Now in this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from the date of 20 to 24th March 2023. Now US30 on a weekly time frame after making a break and close below this major key level which had multiple major retest points for multiple months over here and which was acting as US30's major support for the past couple of weeks. So after US30 made a break and close below that key level, bearish momentum started to flow in, and in this week US30 continued that bearish momentum move by creating a new lower low to come all the way retest the next possible key level, which was right around here like we anticipated with multiple major retest points. And right after making a retest on that key level in this week, it started to face this price ejection over here. Now on a weekly time frame, we do have our support on US30 which is right around here, and also our resistance which is right around here, the previous key level. Now if US30 continues this bearish move over here after this breakout, then we have our next key levels which is right around here and here, where we expect US30 to continue pushing down to. And similarly, if US30 finds support over here and continues to push up, then we have our this and this key level on the bullish side where we expect US30 to continue pushing up to. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then you can obviously see our support which is right around here and also our resistance on a higher time frame point of view as well. So these are the two key levels which we are waiting for a breakout of, which means we can only look for sales on a higher time frame point of view after US30 makes a break and close below this support level with further bearish momentum. Similarly, we can look for trades on the long side if US30 makes a break and close above this key level over here with further bullish momentum. Now we also see a possible downtrend line being formed over here with these two lower highs, and we could have some third retest points somewhere around on this trend line on the upcoming weeks as well if US30 is to continue pushing down in respect to this downtrend line over here. Now keeping in mind about our support and resistance zone, if we break the chart into even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, then we get to see this consolidation or accumulation phase that US30 is currently forming on this 4-hour time frame with all these swing highs and lows it has been making while facing support right around here at this key level, and also while facing resistance at this key level on a higher time frame point of view as well. Now this is the structure which we are looking for a breakout of. Now on the upcoming week, if we see US30 continuing to respect the low of this structure, this key level as is support, and making a break and close above this key level with further bullish momentum, then we should wait for some sort of shorter time frame structure to be formed like a 1 hour to 30 minutes time frame with some more swing highs and lows over here after that break and close happens. To avoid some fake out traps over here, we should look for trades on the breakout of that structure with further bullish momentum, because oftentimes what happens is that US30 might also make some breakout of this key level, but then again make a retest on this downtrend line and could also continue pushing down as well. So to avoid such traps, we should wait for a structure to be formed and then look for trades on the breakout of that structure on a shorter time frame. That's why we look for trades on a shorter time frame. So if US30 does continue to do that and makes a breakout of such a structure over here with further bullish momentum, then it would be a breakout of this resistance level and also a proper breakout of this possible downtrend line over here as well. And in that case, we can start to look for trades on the long side in hopes of US30 continuing to push up towards the next possible key level, which is right around here, and that you can also see on the daily time frame right around here with further bullish momentum. And if it even makes a breakout of this key level, then this is the next key level where we expect US30 to continue pushing up to. However, if US30 instead of doing that, if US30 continues to respect this key level as its resistance without making a break and close above it, or without making a breakout of this downtrend line, if US30 continues to respect this resistance level and also this trend line and makes a break and close below this support level with further bearish momentum, then the same way we can start to look for trades on the short side, hoping US30 to continue to push to create a new lower low in respect to this bearish momentum to come all the way retest the next key level, which is right around here, and that you can also see on the daily time frame right around here has multiple major retest points, as you can see over here, after this clean candle move over here. So that's where we expect US30 to continue pushing down to if it makes a break and close below this support level with further bearish momentum. And if it even makes a break out of this key level, then this is the next key level where we expect US30 to continue pushing down to. So let's wait to see on which direction US30 makes a break out of from this resistance and this support level, and then look for trades on a higher time frame point of view by looking for trades on the shorter time frame. So that's my analysis on US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can see where all these key levels and zones are. And I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on US30.